In this video lesson, I will show you how to draw a line of best fit using Apple's spreadsheet app called Numbers. Step 1 will be to make the scatter plot. Step 2, we will find the line of best fit. And finally, step 3, we will add the linear equation of that line. Just 3 simple steps. Let's get started. Suppose you planted a tomato plant and measured it every day to see how it had grown. Your data could be organized into 2 columns: weeks since planting and the height of the tomato plant in centimeters. Week 1, it may have been 10 centimeters. Week 2, 21 centimeters. Week 3, 40 centimeters. Week 4, 80 centimeters. Week 5, 85 centimeters. And week 6 was 91 centimeters. Now suppose you want to turn this data into a scatter plot. Step 1 is enter and highlight the data. Step 2, go to Insert, Charts, select 2D Scatter. Finally, format your scatter plot. Let's do it. Once you open a blank numbers spreadsheet, in the left-hand corner, enter the 6 weeks of data from your growing tomato plant. You're now ready to highlight the 2 columns of data. Go to the Insert tab, select Chart, and about halfway down, select 2D Scatter. And just like that, we have a scatter plot. Next, we'll format the scatter plot. We'll put in a title. Should be short, but descriptive. Then we'll format the title to make it easy to read. The next important edit is to add axes titles. Starting with the x-axis, we will click Axis Name. Then we will give the x-axis a short but descriptive title. All right, let's repeat that process with the y-axis. Click Axis Name and give it a short but descriptive title, then format the title. All right, now we have our scatter plot. The next step will be to find the line of best fit, or as Numbers calls it, the trend line. Step 1 is to click on any point in the graph. Step 2 is to go to Chart and select Add Trend Line. And finally, we will select Linear under the options for trend lines. Let's do it. Click one point, any point. Go to the Series tab and select Trendline Linear. What appears immediately is the trend line. It should run just about through the middle of the points. All right, we are at the last and final step. This is to add the equation of the trend line, or as can also be called, the line of best fit. Step 1 is to click the Series tab Step 2, click Show Equation, and finally, format your equation. Let's go! Alright, under the Series tab, click Show Equation, and it appears in the upper left-hand corner of your scatterplot. Finally, let's format the equation to help it stand out. Alright, there's our scatterplot, our line of best fit, and our equation. Thanks for watching.
Yay!